Hey kids, today we're talking about the Winter War. Let's begin. The Winter War is an armed conflict between the USSR and Finland. It began with a Russian invasion on November 30th, 1939, 3 months after the start of World War II. It came to a close 3 months later upon the signing of the Moscow Peace Treaty. Even with their overwhelming advantage of planes and tanks, the Russians suffered devastating losses, almost akin to the Vietnam War. The war started because of Soviet demands for Finnish territory, citing security reasons, primarily the protection of Leningrad. When Finland refused, the Soviets invaded, sparking reaction from the League of Nations, who promptly kicked them out of the organization. Finland repelled the Soviet advances, and as the Russians dragged on through the negative 45-degree temperatures and took substantial casualties, they were learning. Eventually, the Soviets reorganized and adopted different tactics and overcame Finnish defenses. After the hostilities ceased in March 1940, the Soviets suffered immense reputational damage and set the stage for the Nazi invasion come 1941. And for the casualties, the Finnish lost 25,904 men and 43,557 were wounded. Anywhere from 800 to 1,100 were captured. They lost anywhere from 20 to 30 tanks. They lost 62 aircraft, and in total lost about 70,000 men. But for the Soviets, they lost anywhere from 126,875 to 167,976 men, 188,671 to 207,538 men were wounded or sick, 5,572 were captured. They lost anywhere from 1,200 to 3,543 tanks. They lost anywhere from 261 to 515 aircraft, and in total they lost anywhere from 321,000 to 381,000 men. And for a bit of trivia, the Finnish invented the Molotov cocktail during this war in order to destroy Soviet T-26 tanks, which had two large weak spots on the back, which you'll see a picture of them circled in red if I remember, and they were very susceptible to fire because they led directly into the engine. And that's all for today, folks. Drink your water, stay hydrated, it's very good for you. Have a good day.